Good afternoon, my dear friends. My regards from Cyprus. Let's hear a poem from my friend Cyprus. The title is Nature a Gift. Don't spoil the value drop, the cause of existence on the soil. We can't be here forever. Let's save it for our future generations. If we waste it, due to this nature's gift, the nations will fight. I'm to say, let's eat, to save the earth from the massive conflict. Oh, wise human, show some wisdom and make the effort to save the beauty and heal your souls. It's not just a tiny drop. This is the care of our human race. To live a life there, be gentle, oh dear, and take good care of the simple of a long existence. The precious gift from above quenches and thirsty soul, soothes an aching heart, tired from all those strife. Mother Nature, choose us to be the protectors. Let us not neglect every drop, for it can save many lives and not just a few. Thank you very much. I'm grateful and I'm really honored for me that my friend Shahid Abbas chose me to say a poem of him with the title Nature Gift. I wish all the best, my friend, and your travel of poetry never end, because, as I said, poetry unites nations and people. My love from Cyprus. Have a nice